39.70. And then we have some repolyo, no? And then we get some bread. And I can open the bag. So guys, we have some tissue. We got some Pampers. I have some conditioner. And I have got some cotton. And Baygon for the mosquito. And another for the mosquito. We got some alcohol. And we got some washing liquid this bar. We got some conditioner. We got some candle for the fly. And we got some for the laundry. This is powder. And I got some Dove bar. Oh my god. I forget what I said then. And then I got some box of tissue. And I got this guys. This will be a treatment for hair treatment. I bought it in Gaisano. It's 49 pesos only. And then this is for the kids. And then get some ding dong. And then I got some fresh milk. I have to put it in the rep. And then I got some Milo. And then coffee. I have 2 of these noodles. Again, I got this sweet bread. There is a swak, whatever you call this powder. Milk. Nugget sarap. I have some noodles, guys. 6 of the noodles. I got oil, vinegar and soy sauce. And then I have this. 2 of these guys for spaghetti. One day. Guys, this is shopping. Rice after rice after rice and tissue and more shopping in here that I need to sort it, but anyway. So I've been to Gaisano Mall today, guys, and this is all the items. First time I can have this coffee. Supposed to be healthy because it's mangosteen in it. And then I can make some macaroni salad and I got a lot of coffee here. And then this one, guys, coffee with durian. Look, first time I gonna try this, and this one as well. So this is all my shopping for today. I got 2 kilo of macaroni, pasta, everything macaroni. And this is it. So guys, this is what I have today. I went to Gaisano and we got some jar of biscuit. And this is it all. Tiny shopping for today, guys. And I bought some clothes for the kids. And then guys, we got bags. This is all for the kids, when they're going to the school. guys is from Gaisano. So this one guys is from Gaisano as well. And then this one. And then we get some shoes here guys. So this is for the kids. And then this is all the school supply guys. You know, there's a lot of this guys. It's a lot guys, you know. And then I got some for my eyelashes and so for my doing my wash my body. And this is all the receipt guys. Look how long it is. This is from Gaisano. And then we have another school supply guys. This is it all guys. If you can see this all, look. This is not enough yet. I have to go for shopping again in a minute because this is, we got some preschool, we got some, you know, it's look, this is it all. And then this one is called macaroni pen. This is all for the kitchen. Lagi sarap. Got some coffee. I got some noodles. And then in here we got this. We got the sauce. We got some coconut. We got some soy sauce. Yeah, soy sauce. Some sugar. So guys, I've been to Batson and then this is all the items. Got some L'Oreal and Myra A. How many of this? Another Myra A, 3 bottle of Myra A, and then we got some Nivea for traveling, and we got some Vicks for traveling, and then we have some bread and tissue. Anyway. So in the box, sorry guys, it's difficult to take the video, you know, when you're alone. This is snacking for the phone, guys. I get that. This one is snacking for the kids. Here in the house for the kids. And then this one is for me. And we got some Biden here for mosquito situation. And we got some powder and downy for laundry. Look. So that is for laundry. So downy and powder. And some vinegar. And spaghetti guys. I have 3 of this again, or 4. Yes, 4 of this one. Okay, 4 of this one guys. And then we have Maggi Sarap. We have 4 of this one. 4 of Maggi Sarap. And then we have some soy sauce, and then there's soy sauce. Ouch. That's like cheese. So guys, we have some sliced cheese. We got some apple, orange, whatever. We We got all the vegetable here. We got some potato. Pampers. And we got some for washing. To do the laundry. This one, guys, is a little bit cheaper. We got some discounted. And then we got 2 of this. Then we got some toothpaste. And then we got some Nescafe coffee. We got some Ovaltine. Oh no, Milo, sorry. We got some noodles. And then we got some Maggi Sarap. And don't ask what it is, guys, but this is for cooking. And brown sugar. Rice as well. And we get some conditioner. And this is what I had for today, guys. This is from Gaisano Mall.